Today I am reviewing the HP Chromebook 14-inch laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Starting with the display, the HP Chromebook 14 features a 14-inch HD screen with a micro-edge design. This means the bezels around the screen are very thin, giving you more screen space in a compact body. The resolution delivers over 1 million pixels, offering crisp and clear visuals that make browsing, streaming, and working a pleasant experience. Plus, the screen has a non-reflective, anti-glare coating. This helps reduce eye strain and glare when you're using the device outdoors or in brightly lit environments. So, whether you're catching up on your favorite shows or working in a cafe, the display stays easy on your eyes. Under the hood, this Chromebook runs on the Intel N100 processor. It's an efficient and cost-effective chip that offers enough power for smooth multitasking and web browsing. Paired with Intel UHD graphics, you can even stream 4K content without issues or enjoy casual gaming and multimedia with smooth visuals. The combination of processor and graphics is ideal for students and professionals who need to stay productive without heavy-duty software requirements. For memory and storage, the HP Chromebook 14 comes with 8 GB of LPDDR5 RAM. This is great for ensuring responsive and efficient performance. It means you can comfortably keep multiple tabs open, run various apps, and switch between tasks seamlessly without the laptop slowing down. The 128 GB of Universal Flash Storage, or UFS, offers fast read and write speeds while using less power than traditional storage types. This helps extend battery life and makes launching apps and accessing files quick and easy. This device runs Chrome OS, Google's lightweight and secure operating system designed specifically for Chromebooks. One major benefit of Chrome OS is that it is cloud-centric and automatically updates itself in the background. This means your laptop stays up to date with the latest security patches and features without interrupting your workflow. Chrome OS is also virus-resistant, helping keep your data safe without the need for additional antivirus software. Plus, it offers access to the Google Play Store, so you can easily download and use Android apps for work, entertainment, or creativity. Portability is another strong point. The HP Chromebook 14 is slim and lightweight, making it easy to carry in your backpack or purse. Whether you're a student moving between classes, a professional traveling for work, or simply working from home, this Chromebook fits your lifestyle well. Overall, the HP Chromebook 14-inch laptop offers a balanced mix of portability, performance, and affordability. Its crisp HD display with anti-glare, efficient Intel N100 processor, solid 8 GB RAM, and fast 128 GB UFS storage combine to create a smooth user experience for everyday computing needs. The Chrome OS operating system adds security, ease of use, and access to a wide range of apps, making it perfect for education, casual use, or light productivity. If you want a hassle-free laptop that keeps you connected and productive without breaking the bank, this HP Chromebook 14 is a fantastic choice.